Gone are the days of dark, dirty, and dangerous. Today's automotive world is fast-paced, hands-on, and integrated with technology. Diagnosing a problem isn't as simple as just looking under the hood anymore. At Minnesota State, we offer the training and know-how to get you up to speed with all things automotive. Our hands-on approach will have you spending more time under the hood with a wrench in your hand than at a desk taking tests. With ever-increasing technology and demand for hard-working people, the automotive industry is one of the most rewarding careers out there.
Travis Chan up here in Minnesota, and I have to say that Minnesota tech schools rule. Keep up the good work, guys.
Get yourself back on the road to success. Your career as an automotive technician starts at Minnesota State.